Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the 1040EZ, and I'm going to show you if you're eligible to file this form and whether or not, even if you are eligible, if it's a form you should file. So I'm going to get the video going here and try to help you guys out today with the 1040EZ. So even if you qualify for the 1040EZ, you may want to consider filing the normal 1040 or the 1040A because there's a lot more deductions with the regular 1040 than the 1040EZ. A lot of people just go for the 1040EZ because it's easier and quicker, but you could be losing a lot of money by taking this route. But I'm still going to show you if you're eligible to file this form, because some people are excluded, and what might be the better route for you. You can follow on my PowerPoints here as I read them to you, and I'm going to explain, a little bit further off the PowerPoints, but for a general outline you can follow the PowerPoints. On my second bullet here, for example, you can only claim the head of household on the normal form 1040A or the 1040. So if you're wanting to claim the head of household, you can't use the 1040EZ, and this is going to be an additional deduction. So make sure on that see if you qualify for the head of household, because it will help out your refund quite a bit, and see if it'll be a better route for you to go with the 1040 and 1040A. You can only claim the retirement saving contributions credit on the 1040 or 1040A. So again, you can't take this on the 1040EZ. At our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, you can use our online tax estimator to see what credits and deductions you might qualify for, or you can check out our website, Harbor Financial Online, where we have links to information on all these credits and deductions. You can qualify for a lot of additional deductions like I talked about with the regular 1040 over the 1040EZ. For example, real estate taxes or the new vehicle deduction. If you bought a new vehicle in the year, you can only get these by filing the regular 1040 or 1040A. Again, it's excluded if you want to file the 1040EZ. Personal casualty losses from a disaster can only be reported on Form 1040. So this is if you say at a hurricane or a fire, some kind of natural disaster that qualifies as a casualty loss, you can't take those deductions on the 1040EZ. So another reason not to do that. You can only itemize deductions on the Form 1040. You can't itemize on the 1040EZ. You'll just be doing the standard deduction, the 1040EZ. So this comes into play for you out there that own homes, because you get all the deductions with interest and write-offs of having a house, and with the 1040EZ you won't get any of those because you won't be itemizing your deductions. Now, you must file a 1040. These are requirements that you have to file the regular 1040, not the 1040EZ. You must file the 1040 if you received any advanced earned income credit payments, so make sure on that or your return will be rejected. You must file the 1040 if you owe tax from the recapture of an education credit. You must file the 1040 if you claim a credit for excessive Social Security withheld. So this may be relevant for a lot of you out there that are in the lower income and want to file that 1040EZ. If you had too much Social Security withheld, you can't go with the 1040EZ. You have to go with the normal 1040. Now, for you out there that have owned a small business, if you had net earnings of at least $400 or more because of self-employment, even if it isn't a business but you're doing just something on the side, and you had self-employment income of at least $400 or more, then you can't file the 1040EZ. So I'm going to take you to the actual 1040EZ real quick and to our site. Close this out and we'll get to the page for you. Okay. So here's the 1040EZ. You can see it's very simple. you only have a few lines. So this is going to be if you don't have a lot of investments, a lot of deductions or credits. A lot of students will fill out the Form 1040 Easy, and lower income retirees will. You do get the earned income credit with doing the 1040 Easy. You can see these are the only credits that you're going to get is in this section. Okay, it's a one-page form, very easy. But a lot of you that qualify for the 1040 Easy should be filing the regular 1040. Even though it's going to take a little bit longer, you're going to get a lot bigger refund most of the time. I call this kind of the lazy man's return, but if you don't want to spend the time with it, then this is quick and easy to do. Okay, so this is the 1040 Easy. Here's our website, harborfinancialonline.com. You can do a quick online estimate of what your taxes are going to be, what your total income is for free on the site. We have all these tabs on the left here. They're going to show you different deductions and credits that are out there. We're constantly updating this with all the new tax law changes. Recently, there's been believe it or not, we've had over 100 major changes to tax law in the last year, and we're constantly updating this. And same with our videos on YouTube. We have a lot of videos. We try to cover every subject matter, so check out those videos if I haven't answered any of the questions in this video for you guys. So let's go back to the video. I want to go back real quick to itemizing deductions. I recommend checking out the video that I have on itemizing deductions, because this is going to show you if you want to itemize, you're going to get a lot more write-offs, and by doing that you have to go with the regular Form 1040, not the 1040 Easy. So check out that video. I think it's going to help you out a lot to see which way you want to go on this. So I really appreciate you watching the video. Check out some of the other videos. You can use our online free tax estimator anytime at harborfinancialonline.com. Thank you.